Do you want to create a fabulous entryway to wow your guests as soon as they walk into the door? I'm gonna show you how. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, shopping tips, and DIY projects all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's video, I want to show you 3 different ways to style your entryway. I'm going to show you some hacks, some tips, and some tricks to make a fabulous entryway display. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with a friend and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Okay, to create a fabulous entryway, you do not need a lot of things. You need a mirror like you can see behind me, a lamp, a few stacks of books, and a little bit of greenery. Let me show you. Adding a few stacks of books can create a little bit of needed height. In this particular case, I have 2 stacks of books, one with a collection of pillboxes that I collect, and the other one with a fabulous flower arrangement of white peonies. You could also create more stacks of books and keep adding things to your collection. However, on this particular case, I want to do a simple arrangement of greenery of palm leaves because, well, I'm in San Diego, California, and there's palms everywhere. So let me show you how that looks like. All you need is a tall cylinder container to put on the other side, and then adding just 2 palm leaves into this container, it will create the summer look that we're all looking for. All you have to do is make sure that those palms stagger on top of each other so they can stand like this, and lay them against the wall if you need to, and it's really easy to create this beautiful summer look. Alright, as you can see, I've replaced the mirror with a larger size picture and I brought another matching lamp to the other side. That is creating perfect symmetry. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add a collection of personal items like my beloved blue and white pottery and create a beautiful statement. Okay, as you can see, by adding a collection of like items, in case all of this blue and white pottery, you can create a beautiful statement. And what I like about this particular arrangement is that this is where I will drop off my keys as soon as I walk into the door, my wallet, my headphones when I go out for a run. So like I said, just by creating different hives and different shapes of the same like element, you can create a beautiful display like this. If you want more of a statement, what you could do is add a few stems of flowers to the taller vases or the vases that look more like a container, and this will help you create a more summer look, and it will give you a statement also. I love adding fresh flowers or just silk flowers to arrangements like this because it really does help to create a more dramatic effect on the arrangement. And like you can see, it's just as easy as dropping some of these beautiful white flowers into the containers, and you too can create a beautiful entryway display just like this. Alright, so far so good, but I have one more idea to show you. Idea number 3 is super simple, it's probably my favorite. This is one of the cases when they said less is more. So all we're going to need is some stacks of books, a beautiful piece of artwork, and some collections. So let me show you how I do it. As I'm sure you guys know right now, I love using books on my displays because it does create a little bit of height on the display. Right now I'm using 3 different stacks of books with 3 different elements. One for my collection, another one for me to drop off my keys in my wallet, and one for a flower arrangement. Let me show you how I do the perfect flower arrangement real quick. Okay, to create the perfect entryway arrangement, all you need to do is have yourself some silk flowers or real flowers, and what you're going to need to do is cross them like this. This is how you're going to make the perfect posy. First of all, I want to mention that I have my rubber band on my finger right here. So what you're going to do is cross them like this, and then what you're going to continue to do is crisscross them, one on the front and one on the back. And once when you crisscross, you turn it around, and then you crisscross one on the front and one on the back, and then you cross, and then you're going to crisscross one on the front and one on the back. And what that's doing is creating the perfect circle. You are doing this motion to create a perfect circle. So you're going to cross one on the front and one on the back, and as you guys can see, this is really turning out really pretty. And you're going to do one more on the front. Once you have it like this, go ahead and pull the heads that went down a little bit and make sure that it's all balanced. And with the rubber band that you have right here on your finger, go ahead and give it a little spin like this, and just go ahead and insert into your container. Give it a little fluff. Like I said, pull the heads that went down a little too far, and just like that, you have a beautiful arrangement of flowers for your entryway. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to need is a fabulous piece of artwork, and I have this one that I have purchased a few years ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and lay that flat right here, because I want the wall to be able to have a little bit more of air. What also you could do is put sconces on the other side instead of a lamp, or create a gallery wall by adding pictures on each side of the picture and then on top of that. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Now I'm gonna turn it over to you. Which option do you like better? The one with the palm leaves? Do you like the one with the bigger picture and the symmetry with the lamps? Or do you like this simple idea with a really small flower arrangement? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye. Adding a few stacks of bookcases. Adding a few stacks of books to have a fussy. Alright. Okay, to create a fabulous entryway, you do not need a lot of things. So